So I've got a flexible service light to reset on this T-Roc, and I could use Otis, and there's going to be people out there, why aren't you using Otis? Because I've got this, so I'm going to use it. So this is the home screen. We'll go straight into there. VCI's in the car already. That's your wireless dongle. We're going to do a speed run. Let it read the VIN or chassis number, depending where you are. VIN is vehicle identification number. Let it initialize. Boom, there it is. Saloon. Yep. Let it communicate with the car. The car is behind me. The beauty of it being wireless, I can stand at my toolbox and do it. We'll go in general mode. It's in 17 for dashboard on this particular model. And then we'll go oil service reset. We can do that, that's flexible. So in this test, the flexible service can be reset. This is flexible as well. It's a fleet vehicle. Let it do its thing. Successfully reset. There it is. All sorted. Speed run. Beautiful. Let it do its thing, and that's it. We can literally come back out of it. Just remember to bring the VCI out of the car. I've nearly forgot a few times. We'll not do that. So I need to tether it to something really, but other than that, speed run. Beautiful.